While summer is still summering, I thought I'm gonna do another Shein summer dress try-on haul. At the end of this haul, I'm going to nominate what I think is the best dress and awarded the trophy. I don't live in a hot climate and we didn't have a heat wave just yet, but I thought that this time I want to try short dresses instead of maxi ones. Also, I want to check and see what other people had to say about them before trying them on. Because it's fun, right, Mickey? Let's get these dresses out of the bag and into the spotlight. Let's see, what did I buy this time? 1. Ouch! Wow. 2. Whatever. 3. 4. 5. Empty. First dress. Okay. Shorter than I expected it to be. This one comes from Frenchy and it's a white halter neck, backless, sleeveless dress. Over 500 people purchased the dress and it has overall quite a good rating, 4.86. Not so bad for a dress like this, I guess. Now let's get into the reviews. So, someone who has this dress and gave it 5 stars says, this dress is amazing, makes me look good in Italy. Oh, I like it belted. Such a lady. And yet there's someone who didn't really like the dress, gave it 1 star and said, the blue skirt arrived instead of the blue dress. I will return it. But does this dress come in blue? Maybe blue have gone out of stock? Yeah, well, I would be disappointed if I get a skirt instead of a dress. Yeah, I mean, that looks like a cute dress. The only problem I can tell you right away is that it's going to be see-through. Let's go ahead and put her on. See how she looks. So I hope I'm not gonna step on pickles. Let's focus on the dress. Here's how the dress looks, and here's the full view of the dress. So I must say this dress is quite short though. I'm 172 centimeters tall, so does it bother me? I mean, I'm not sure if I feel really comfortable wearing something as short as this dress. If I decide to keep this dress, then I will probably wear some wide biker shorts underneath, just in case of wind, you know, in case the wind blows. I must say that it is quite a comfortable dress. It was very easy to put her on. I do love backless back. It's perfect for a hot, tropical, humid weather because it's really easy, breezy. Your back is breathing, okay? And what has to be covered is covered. So, and it is quite hot and humid today in this room. Literally the best opportunity to try these dresses. Yeah, although the dress might be just a little bit see-through, I'm not sure how much the camera can pick. It does have this inner lining, which is a lifesaver. I have this dress in size medium. The only thing that concerns me is the length. Even though this haul is about short dresses, this is a little bit too short for me. It is quite a nice dress. What can I say? Do you like it, Pickles? Do you like this dress? It's hot for you, isn't it? You're not leaving a lot of space for me. I need to show the dresses, yeah? Anyway, so it's time to move to another dress. Oh, I'm a little bit skeptical because the fabric is quite thick, so I'm afraid this not really work for hot weather. But overall, I mean, that's a cute dress. It's in pink. It's supposed to be quite stretchy. Okay, so this one, it came from Breezaya. It's a tropical print off-shoulder ruffle trim bodycon dress. So over 1,000 people purchased the dress and it has an overall rating of 4.90 stars. Let's get into the reviews and see what people had to say about this dress. Okay, so someone also has the dress in hot pink, gave the dress 5 stars and says, very pretty. Aww, and she even has a matching flower in her hair. So cute. Then, someone who gave the dress 1 star says, too long, I'm 160, it reaches below my knees. And how does it look in the product picture? Oh yeah, it does look shorter in the product picture. Probably not really for petites if you don't want the dress to look long. But we'll see how that looks on someone who's 172. Let me go ahead, pop her on and see how she looks. Okay, and yet here we have another dress. That is a really cute dress, but it's definitely not for a hot, humid summer day because it's just too tight and the fabric is too thick. Pickle, I think you gotta move, buddy. Here's how the dress looks from the front, from the side, and from the back. I do love this off-shoulder design. I think this is just something really, really cute. The fabric is quite stretchy, but not like extremely stretchy. I do love the ruffles on the hem though. I think it's really, really flattering. And the bum, it's popping out. And because of the fabric and ruches, you can readjust the length of the dress just a little bit. But I would say that it would still look quite long on petites. So it is a really pretty, cute, comfy dress that runs true to size. It's elegant, it's flattering, it's super duper curly, cute, pretty, yada yada yada. But there's one but. I don't think that this dress would be good for a hot weather. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but when it's hot and humid, I prefer easy breezy dresses that aren't too tight. I imagine the fabric to be thin, and this is quite thick though. Although it is a beautiful print and it's really, really comfy, it's just too thick for a hot, humid summer day. If something like that doesn't really matter to you, then I think that would be such a nice dress. It's really girly. What do you think, Pickles? Oh, you weren't paying attention. Gotcha. I'm gonna stop disturbing you, I guess. So, yes, my ducks. What do you think about this dress? I think it's really, really cute though. But we've got more to try on, so let's move on. Oh wow. Oh, very short. Don't get me wrong, I'm not very keen on maxi dresses. I like short dresses, but woo, this seems to be very short. That's a closer look of the print. All right, so more or less it does look like in the product picture, I can tell you that. It also came from Breezaya. So basically it's ditzy floral print, crisscross, backless dress. Over 1,000 people purchased the dress. Overall, it has a good rating, 4.88. And now let's get into the reviews. A lovely lady, by the way, adored the pictures. So cute. She gave the dress 5 stars and said, perfect quality, like the image, color slightly darker but beautiful. No smell. I'm a UK 10/12 and got a medium, and UK 34/6. I could have got a small as slightly big on the waist, as it is so stretchy. The length is perfect. I'm 5'6", such a flattering dress. Good quality, soft, smooth material. She looks so pretty in this dress. And love your tan, girl. Nice. This is literally the most detailed product review that I have seen so far. Moving on. Okay, so someone who also has this dress in size medium and mint green didn't really like the dress and gave it 1 star, said, the muted mom's color. It's big on the sides, difficult to tie. Well, at least she seems happy. Some people like it, some people don't, and that's totally all right. I'm gonna go ahead, put her on, and see if I'm gonna like her or not. Ta-da! That's how she looks on, everyone. That's the front, the side, and the back. First things first. It is a short dress, so this might not be for everyone. But it is a cute dress, although it is a little bit revealing in the chest area. I personally love dresses where I'm not required to wear a bra. I love the print, the ruffles. I think it's something really, really cute, pretty, girly, you name it. Literally everything on my skin that needs to breathe is breathing. So yeah, my shoulders, the back, the chest, the legs, and clearly the bum. But you know what? I prefer short dresses rather than maxi ones because, I don't know, I just feel like maxi dresses make me look a little bit older. I really love it. I have it in size medium. It runs true to size. This dress does look like in the product picture. I think the color is matching. And yes, I do agree with that girl who said good quality and smooth material. And I love it that it has this elastic waist. It's a good thing to have. Yeah, I must say I'm really obsessed with this dress. I don't even want to take it off. I think this is the dress you can actually wear in a hot, humid summer day. Approved. Let's put another dress to the test. Okay. Looks cute. So this one came from Shein Clasi, and it's basically a women's ruffle v-neck, ruffle, short sleeve, elegant slip dress. Over 1,000 people purchased the dress. It has an overall rating of 4.86 stars. And now let's get into the reviews. Someone who has this dress in green gave the dress 5 stars and said, a lovely flattering dress, which looked great on holiday. Lovely quality and color. And what a cute picture! Oh my god, take me to that swimming pool, please. The dress is matching all the palm trees. So cute! And yet, there's someone who gave the dress 1 star and said, poorly made, loose in the shoulders, synthetic material. Any questions? I don't get it. What's the point to take a picture of the dress that's in the bag? Then don't be bothered. Like, why would you even upload that picture? We can't even see the dress. Here's the material. Here's the fabric. I mean, I don't know what to say. It's just the fabric that dresses are usually made of. Feels and looks like a good fabric to me though. I'm happy to put this dress on and see how she actually looks and feels. All right, and yet we have another dress on. That's how she looks from the front, from the sides, and from the back. Buddy, I'm really afraid to step on your tail. Can you please take it with you? What I really love about it is that I don't need to wear any bra. And you know that I love dresses that you don't have to wear a bra with. I have to be honest with you. I wasn't expecting this dress to look anywhere as nice as it actually does. This is another perfect dress for a hot, humid summer day because everything is briefing and it's actually in perfect length. I love it. Also, a huge pro, this dress does come with adjustable straps, so you can readjust them yourself. But yeah, bra is not needed. You have this thing on top over here, so I don't know, it's just a nice detail to have, I think. The waist, it's quite stretchy. It has an elastic waistband. So pretty. Let's do the twirl test. I have it in size medium, so it does run true to size. What were the reviews saying about this dress? Lovely flattering dress. Couldn't agree more. Poorly made, loose in the shoulders, synthetic material. Don't listen to that review. The material feels nice. It is a very flattering, lovely, pretty, easy breezy dress for a hot, humid summer day. Approve. All right, I guess it's time to move and test another dress. Do you like this dress? And yet here we have another dress. I love the stripe print of white and blue. It instantly gives ocean, no? Ocean vibes. Oh, I love it. It looks really easy breezy. There is some color inaccuracy, but I don't mind, it's fine. Here we have women's spaghetti strap striped casual short dress. Okay, so only 45 people purchased the dress, but it has an overall good rating of 4.60 stars. Now let's jump into the reviews. Okay, now someone who also has this dress gave it 5 stars, said, very beautiful dress, soft material, very comfortable. I'm 161 for those who would like to look at the length. And yes, we would. Thank you so much. So you're shorter than I am. Okay. I wonder how the dress will look on me. And then there's someone who gave the dress 1 star, said, too much oversized. The color is more bright and at all it should not be for size small. Okay, well, thanks for the review, I guess. Well, I don't know how oversized it's going to look, but you know what? Let me go ahead, pop her on and see how she actually looks. Ta-da! Here's another dress, everyone. So here's the front, here's the side, and here's the back. It's backless with straps, adjustable straps, which I love because you can, well, adjust yourself. Ooh, I just noticed that only now, that the chest is actually double lined. So yeah, another dress that I'm not required to wear a bra, which I already love so much about. And it's easy, breezy, flowing, and oh my gosh, I'm telling you, it's going to be difficult to choose the best dress. Maybe just because that I don't feel like stripes are for me. I'm more like a floral pattern kind of girl. This might not really be... I don't know what I was trying to say. And again, the back is briefing. So are the arms, chest, waist, legs, you name it. Everything what needs to brief is briefing. So that's another dress that is hot weather approved. It is a really nice fabric. It's thin, but not to the point where it's see-through. Or even if it is, I don't think that much is showing up though. I'm also loving the length of this dress. I think it's perfect. I don't know, like literally nothing wrong about this dress. It's more about personal preference rather than finding some cons or something that is wrong about it. That one side of you that said too much oversized. The color is more bright. First of all, when it comes to oversized, I don't know. I mean, is this dress really oversized? Maybe, but if so, then just a little bit. And the color is more bright. I don't mind the colors to be more bright because on a hot, humid summer day, I want to be bright. I want to shine. I love the colors. My point is I love the colors. What can I tell you? Another really nice dress. So what do we think of this dress? What do we think of this dress? So, I think it's time for the nomination. All right, my ducks, are you ready to see what I think is the best dress? Ta-da! Yes, I think that this is the best dress. I nominate this dress a trophy. Simply because not just that this dress is perfect for a hot, humid summer day. I love the length, I love the way it looks and feels. Everything about this dress is just ticking every box. Although all the dresses were really nice. It's just that I tried to pick not only the one that I liked the most, but also something that I think would work for a hot, humid summer day. What do you think, ducks? Which of these dresses do you think is the best dress? Would you go with the one I picked? Or do you have a different favorite dress from this haul? But I must say that all the dresses are really cute, so. Which dress did you like least? The one I'm wearing? What? Are you kidding me, buddy? You and I, we've got to talk. Alright guys, so let me know which dress would you nominate as the best dress. In case you spotted something you like, everything will be linked down below. If you enjoy watching videos like this, please give it a like and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. And yeah, let me know what would you like to see more of. That would really help me. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!